ఇక్కడికి వచ్చిన ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి నా హృదయపూర్వక నమస్కారాలు. Friends come, I mean to say, power comes and it goes, but always it is the friendship that remains and takes us forward. అట్లానే పవర్ ఉన్నప్పుడు లేనప్పుడు ఎప్పుడు లక్ష్మి కానీ ప్రభు గారికి కానీ they never saw that in us, nor we. It was all of us were sailing together during the rough and good times also. And at the same time, I would like to talk a few words about Prabhu. He is a wonderful person as an entrepreneur. He is very disciplined and he takes everything as a challenge, which a leadership needs it, and he has it. He's a micromanager as far as I know. That's why whatever he takes goes to a good end. That is a good leadership quality in him. And the best thing is, the leader thinks, or he'll have ideas, visions, but to take forward, which I also believe is always the team. Whatever awards, rewards Varun Group gets, it always goes to the team with their hard work, with the team joining their hands with the leader. The leader is able to get the awards and rewards. That's what, as an entrepreneur also, I believe in teamwork. It's not only the leader that can take his or her thoughts way forward. And I would like to remind everyone here that especially a man, when he decides and to dedicate his life to his work, or him being a workaholic, the first person that has to dedicate or give support is the wife, is the lady of the family. And I'm quite upset with Prabhu that he did not put up my friend's picture on the AV or talk about her sacrifice that she has done for you and for Varun Motors to grow so big. So I'm sure Varun Base Sands is going to be a big success under the leadership of Prabhu, Varun, Varsha, whom I know them as kids, and I'm really very happy to see them being molded into going to take the group way forward. This Varun Base Sands is really going to be a jewel of India, Andhra Pradesh, and Visakhapatnam. So before I conclude, I always believe in keep life simple, live with dignity, leave it simple and pleasant. I once again thank to everyone who are present here, and I wish Prabhu all the great success, and he will do it. And I forgot to tell you all, ఆయన వచ్చి ఇట్లా ఈ ప్రాజెక్ట్ నేను చేస్తున్నాను భువన, వాట్ డూ యూ థింక్ అబౌట్ ఇట్, లక్ష్మి is worried about my health, and I just told him, no, age is just a number. You have the energy, the spirit, the willpower to do, so you can do it, you will do it. So I'm sure he will do his best to the job he takes up. And I thank you everyone being here. Thank you, one and all.